Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of laminate flooring. Whether you're considering a home renovation or just curious about upgrading your floors, this video has got you covered. Stick around as we explore everything you need to know about laminate flooring, from types and features to aesthetics and benefits. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the types of laminate flooring available. Laminate flooring comes in various types, including high-pressure laminate (HPL) and direct-pressure laminate (DPL). HPL is more durable and suitable for high-traffic areas, while DPL is more budget-friendly. Both types offer excellent versatility and come in a wide range of styles and designs to suit any space. Now, let's discuss some key features of laminate flooring. One of the standout features is its durability. Laminate flooring is highly resistant to scratches, stains, and fading, making it a perfect choice for households with pets, children, or heavy foot traffic. Additionally, laminate flooring is easy to clean and maintain, requiring simple sweeping and occasional mopping to keep it looking pristine. Moving on to aesthetics, laminate flooring offers endless possibilities when it comes to design. Whether you prefer the look of hardwood tile or stone, there's a laminate flooring option to match your style and decor preferences. With advanced printing technology, laminate flooring can mimic the natural beauty of various materials with remarkable authenticity, adding a touch of elegance to any room. Now, let's talk about the benefits of laminate flooring. One of the biggest advantages is its affordability. Compared to hardwood or stone flooring, laminate flooring is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality or style. Additionally, laminate flooring is easy to install, thanks to its innovative click-lock system, which allows for hassle-free DIY installation, saving you time and money. Another notable benefit of laminate flooring is its eco-friendliness. Many laminate flooring products are made from recycled materials and are certified as environmentally sustainable. By choosing laminate flooring, you're not only enhancing the beauty of your home but also making a positive impact on the planet. Laminate flooring is a fantastic choice for homeowners looking for a durable, stylish, and cost-effective flooring solution. With its wide range of types, features, aesthetics, and benefits, laminate flooring offers the perfect blend of functionality and beauty for any space. So, if you're considering a flooring upgrade, why not give laminate flooring a try? Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Until next time, happy renovating!